Today we talk about landscape painting in Unreal Engine 5. First, we need to add the material, and I download material from the fab. And I have downloaded the 3 material. I download the grass, sand, and rocket. And next, I create a new material and change the name, landscape paint. Okay, I open it. And next, I need to drag the textures into here. I also need to adjust the normal texture. And next, I right-click and select the landscape layer blend. I create the 3 layers and change the name. And I select this node and Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy another one. And I connect the texture to the layer. And these textures connect to base color and this to normal. And press once and left key to create one. I right click and I select the landscape and layer code. And I connect all of them. And I save it, and we enter the landscape mode, and I drag this material to landscape. You need to wait a while. And next we enter the page, and you can see our layer is disappear here. So we need to click this button, and the next we need to click here and wait blend layer and select the folder. We do it again because our material are the located is surface. Yeah, we select one of them and paint it. And you can see this material is too small, and we can change this value 15. Yeah, you can see our paint is changed. You can select another material and painting. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.